Well, now let's get to the practical part, how you can research your keywords. Now, in a previous lecture, I said that you need to focus on whether you want your video to be discoverable or searchable. The key difference is that nobody is searching for the discoverable videos. They are just stumbling upon them. And those videos usually get the most views. But in many cases, especially in the beginning of the channel's life cycle, those videos are a gamble. I never suggest anyone to focus on that. I would always suggest you to focus on the searchable videos first, something that people will be actively seeking and where you will solve their problems. So how do you find the effective keywords? Well, first things first, you need to think about what your video is all about. I mean, literally, if someone will search for your video, what words will they use? So for example, if you're creating videos about best microphones under $100, what people will be looking for? Well, they will be searching for best microphones. That's as simple as that. Those two keywords are searchable. But what else? What are the keywords that you can use in your titles? Well, you see, YouTube is actually helping you quite a lot with that. Because if you could just kind of title your videos as a best microphones, well, it won't be enough. It's just way too broad. It does not explain what exactly you're talking about, whether it's cheap microphones, expensive microphones, for music, for gaming, for communication, or whatever it is. It does not explain everything. So you need to expand your title to accommodate more long-term keywords. How to find the best ones and what other people are searching for? Well, you see, you don't need any tools for that. YouTube is actually telling you exactly what you need to do. All you need to do is just put in the keyword that you want. Now, for example, in this case, best microphone, and YouTube will fill out the rest for you. Usually, those search predictions that YouTube is autofilling for you are the ones that people are actually actively looking for at that very moment. So that means that those topics are in demand. For example, it can be best microphone for YouTube, best microphone for gaming, best microphone for iPhone, or whatever it is. Basically, YouTube is giving you all the information that you want. So basically, very simply and very easily, you have an exact keyword that you want to use in your title. But that's not all. There is actually a way to predict whether your video will be successful or not. Like for example, if I'll search for the best keyword for YouTube, well, it will show me all the videos about that. But all those videos are your competitors. Now you need to position yourself against those competitors. And how you need to do that? Well, you need to analyze whether it's a good idea to go against them or not. And I will tell you how you can analyze that. And I'm going to use vidIQ for that. vidIQ is absolutely free, so you can install it and use it for yourself. And what vidIQ is doing is vidIQ is actually analyzing the search results. And there are a few important parts that will require. Like for example, when you search for the specific keywords, you will actually see how many times in the top 20 videos those keywords are used exactly in a title. But that's not all. You actually can get more information than just top 20. If you're going to scroll down a little bit, if you're going to scroll down the videos and allow YouTube to load all of those videos, all of this information will actually be loaded in a vidIQ. With that vidIQ will actually read all those information from all of those videos and will actually allow you to analyze all of those videos all at once. And when you scroll back up, vidIQ will give you analysis of all of those videos. And you can analyze hundreds of videos like that. And what it will give you is a few important bits of information. First, how many videos are actually using those exact keywords in the title? And if you see the keywords used less than 10%, that's a perfect keyword to use. If you see the same things in the description, and I mean the first 2 lines of the descriptions, and if it's less than 10%, this keyword is actually a good target. The last but not least bit of information is average age of the video. If average age is more than a year, this is a slam dunk. Also, vidIQ is giving the volume of this keyword. And anything above 50% is a good keyword. That means that a lot of people are actually looking for the videos about that, and most videos are actually 1 year or older. That means this is the perfect opportunity for you to use this keyword. And all you need to do is put this keyword in a title and in the description, and don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that to have a maximum chances for ranking, and that's it. All we used was YouTube's own search predictions, and we used the free version of vidIQ where we can analyze hundreds of videos to get a very detailed analytics and predictions of what we can actually create. And all this left for us to do is just actually start creating. How simple is that? But let me tell you a little bit about tagging. Why tagging is not important and where you can actually use the tags. Tags actually don't have that much effect on actual ranking of the video. And that was actually confirmed multiple times by YouTube themselves and prominent tagging tools vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So why would you use the tags? Well, you can actually use them to see where you rank for those specific tags. You see, when you put the tags, and if you have vidIQ installed or TubeBuddy installed, they will actually tell you where do you rank. Meaning that if someone will search for the specific keywords, will you be visible on top or you will not be visible at all? It takes the hassle away from you of manually searching for those specific keywords. So that's the only reason why you would use tags. Other than that, they don't have that much impact, and I would still suggest you to use them just in case. In the next video, we're going to focus on how we can actually optimize your video titles and description in order to maximize results in order to rank very, very high for any keywords. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Take care.